All right, now we're going to work with liquid latex. This is a really fascinating area of glitter that's not been used a whole lot. Basically, you can get these little bottles of liquid latex from Graftobian, and you just paint your design. I'm just going to do a very simple kind of tribal design on Amalia here. You just paint the design in with the latex. And then right before it dries, put a little ending here and here. Right before it dries, you just apply the glitter. The nice thing about this is you can do huge areas all over the body. You don't have to just keep it right in the face area. Just go ahead and press it all in. Well, we're going to brush the excess off. And we'll just kind of make the latex take on this really cool, shimmery look. I'm going to do one more layer here, and then we're going to brush it off. You can take a nice brush and just brush off all the excess glitter. And what you're going to end up with is this latex that just holds on to the glitter. You can get in there with a Q-tip, and we're going to clean it up a little bit more.